Greetings and welcome back, carnivores. Carnivore Confidential, Dougie the Butcher. I got another eye of round here, about 2.9 kilos, almost 3. So let's call it 6 pounds just for fun. Gonna make jerky, and we're also going to make some chicken fried steak today with my new toy. This is a cube steak machine, hand crank cube steak machine that I bought that also has knives for cutting jerky. So we're gonna do 2 different videos today, and I'm just gonna take this apart for starters. Again, I'm not being too careful about the fat and silver skin because I'm gonna save it all for trim later. For ground beef. But because it is jerky, we want to get all the fat off. All right, so, pardon me, a nice clean eye of round. I'm going to take a couple of slices out of the center of this, and I'm going to run it through the cube steak machine for my dinner, and then the rest is going to be jerky. So I'm going to cut those slices like so, one off each side. The rest is going to be for jerky, not for the fun part. Drop this in. All right, so into the first bag. And I'm only too happy to share my successes and my failures with you, and this here was a failure. All right, so into the first one goes the jalapeno Dr. Pepper marinade. I boiled it for, I think 15 minutes. Well, I brought it to a boil and then simmered it for 15 minutes to reduce it, roughly by half. And that is the jalapeno Dr. Pepper. You can really smell the jalapenos. When I was cooking this, I was sneezing and sneezing and sneezing. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna massage that in a minute. I just want to get the other one ready. And non-jalapeno Dr. Pepper. There we go. Okay. Make sure everybody gets some love. Anyway, you get the idea. Into the fridge for 24 hours and off to the dehydrator tomorrow for at least 4 hours at 170. All right, thanks very much for hanging out and come on back for that. All right, welcome back. It's the day after and we are going to put together some jerky. This was the Dr. Pepper inspired one. Or actually, sorry, they're both Dr. Pepper inspired. This was the jalapeno inspired one. So I think I'm gonna put my glasses back on for this. And we'll see how much of this we can get in here. And we'll fast forward through the bulk of this, of course. Remember what I said before, we can always, that's huge. We can always, they can be touching, but they can't be overlapping. I'm interested to try this with the jalapenos. Hopefully it's not call your lawyer hot. I didn't think that I would get half of one of these on all three of these trays, but it looks like I might. And into the dehydrator they go. For 4 hours at 175 degrees. There we go. Dial in dehydrate. There we go, 170 degrees for 4 hours. All right, we'll come on back and check that out. All right, welcome back. It's the end of 4 hours in the dehydrator, and you can, as you can see, they have dehydrated a lot. I've also been snacking, but they have dehydrated a ton, and we're ready to bag these guys off. This was the jalapeno version of the Dr. Pepper jerky, and it's delicious, and I'm just gonna bag it off here and get the other one in the non-jalapeno version of this into the machine for the rest of the evening. All right, so through the magic of editing, we're actually at another day, one more day. And as you can see, I've got two beautiful bags of jerky. One jalapeno Dr. Pepper jerky, which is this one, and one just Dr. Pepper jerky. And I can tell you they are delicious. If anything, to modify the recipe, if anything I would do differently, I would add probably about maybe a cup of brown sugar to the overall mixture, just to make it a little bit sweeter. I like it sweet, and also I thought perhaps that I should pat these dry, and another time I don't think that I would pat them dry because I would like them a little bit spicier than they are. They're tasty. They're spicy. You can taste the jalapenos, but it's not quite as spicy as I would like. And also, I would cut the salt by at least 1 tablespoon. It calls for 2 tablespoons of salt. I would cut it by 1 because it's not overly salty, but it is salty. It's salt forward. Anyway, that's it for today, folks. Hope you enjoy what you see. Please like, share, and subscribe to my new channel. And we'll see you next Thursday for another video. Thanks very much for hanging out, and stay hungry, folks. Ciao for now.